honestly, I wasn't entirely sure what I was going to do with this vlog, particularly because it's technically part of our day one, but I felt like this part of the vlog needed its own little section. We took the train from Oslo Central Station to Finse, and we rode in the Komfort Car, which you pay a little bit extra, and basically you get your own little table. Now you can also select seats where you sit, just you and your partner or your friend, or there's a bigger table. When I bought the tickets, I don't remember having an option to select the seats. I might have just not paid attention to it. I think I just didn't pay attention. So we actually had someone sit across from us, but when the train started moving, he actually moved to a different section because the Komfort cart wasn't full. There is also a food cart, but it wasn't really open until towards the end. It was open around 4 o'clock, and by that time we were about to get off the train anyways, because our stop at Finse was around 4:16, so we didn't get to experience that. But all in all, the views are spectacular. Honestly, the train ride from Oslo to Finse was really beautiful, and there was just so much to see of Norway that was incredible. Hey guys, so I'll do a brief recap of day one. So we had a very long travel day, and we got in and we went to go talk to Finse, I think that's actually how you pronounce it. And because a lot of our members were unable to come due to all the chaos that's happening right now. And I should let you see the lovely background. And so we went over there. We definitely need snowshoes next time we go out there. My arms are tied. But, so when we were here, and, Trump announced, the night that we left, that we can't go home. Well, we can go home, but the problem is all the airlines are SAS is not operating. This is the last day that it's operating. So we're not really sure how we're going to get home. There's one flight out, but they want $5,000. And I'm like, good grief, that's price gouging. So we're not sure how we're going to get home. So for right now, we're just going to enjoy our weekend stay because there's no way we can get back to Oslo in time for any flights. So we're stuck here until we can figure out how to get home. We might just have to go to Oslo and talk to the U.S. Embassy, see what our options are. Right now, we're waiting for our friends. It's absolutely beautiful. Hoth is incredible, or Finse is incredible. Even though I hate the cold. It's actually, we have a lot of good base layers and a lot of good winter gear, so it's not as terrible. Though I should have brought my tripod so I could record without having my hands out, but you know what, wasn't thinking about that. But dinner was good. I didn't really do much vlogging. I took video. I usually do random vlogs, but I think on this trip we're going to do day 1, day 2, day 3. So the recap of day 1, besides mass chaos, was dinner was terrific. Here you get a 3-course dinner. So we got soup as our starter, then we got our main entree, which was rose fish, and then we got a dessert. I wasn't a fan of the rose fish. It's good, it just wasn't my type of fish. It might be how it was cooked, I don't know. The cabbage and sausage soup was terrific. And the dessert was amazing. It tasted it was supposed to be a white chocolate mousse, but it tasted more like a cheesecake. And when you mix the berry sorbet or sherbet, I don't remember if it was sorbet or sherbet. I don't know, but the combination of the two was really awesome, and I loved it. And he said that we could actually have extras. We didn't have extras of the dessert, but Chris did have extras of the fish because he said because they had so many cancellations due to everything that they had an overstock of food, and so I think they do daily menus, so today's menu might be completely different. So we still have to figure out how we're going to get home, but I mean, for right now, we're gonna enjoy our trip for the best we can, and I'll take vlogs. Like yesterday, I was so tired. We've been up pretty much for 24 hours before we were able to really go to bed. And I have to say, the beds here, I'll do my room tour recap, but the beds are actually really comfortable. I wasn't really expecting them to be really that comfortable, but they were. So we had a good night's sleep. We ate breakfast. I'll recap that in day 2, but yeah, we're just waiting for our friends right now, so you'll see that in our day 2 vlog. So stick around, like and subscribe, and join us for our Finse adventures.